Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your clothing alteration business. If you run a clothing alteration business, then managing all the fittings and responding to clients' requests can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all the requests and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for clothing alteration business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for this, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a hi message. And our chatbot responds us with, "Hi there, welcome to our clothing alteration service. How can I assist you today?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says book a fitting. And our chatbot responds us with, "Book a fitting, let's get you fitted. Please reply with preferred date." So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. And the chatbot responds us with, "We have received a booking for 9 June 2025. I will confirm availability shortly." Next, I'm going to select the second option as measurements. And our chatbot responds us with, "Please share measurements in format chest and waist." So I'm going to respond with this. And our chatbot responds us with our given measurements, and it says thank you. Next, I'm going to respond with track my order. And our chatbot says click below to track directly, and it has provided us a clickable tracking link. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for clothing alteration business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to create the chatbot, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Clothing Alteration Business. On the screen, there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex, and here we have an option to choose template. When we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Here I've added a message like this, and here I've added little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Our text will appear like this to the user. With the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option, such as book fitting. And for this, I'm going to access action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. So here I'm going to take details of the booking like this, and here we have asked for preferred date, and here in the contact custom field I'm going to select date, and as format I'm going to select any. And now link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and now let's create a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add. Here I've added this as confirmation message, which will look like this to the user, and here we have used $date because date was a contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date sent by the user. Next, we are going to move on to measurements, and for this I'm going to access the action type notes again, and here I'm going to ask for measurements. Link it to the measurements, and here I'm going to add. Here I've asked, please send your measurements in this format, chest/burst and waist. And now let's create a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add this message, which will look like this to the user, and here we have added $add because it was our contact custom field, and it will get replaced by the actual measurements sent by the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for track my order, and for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user, and here we have provided a link to track the order directly. So this is how we have created a WhatsApp chatbot for clothing alteration business. So if you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.